Hello and welcome back to How to Become, the world's leading career and recruitment specialists, helping millions of people land their dream jobs. I'm Joshua Brown, an expert assessment coach, and today we're tackling customer service verbal reasoning practice tests. If you need to pass a customer service verbal reasoning test for a top employer, or you simply want to boost your chances of success in customer service recruitment, you're in the right place. We'll go through realistic practice questions, break down the answers step by step, and I'll share essential tips to maximize your score. Make sure you watch until the end because I've included extra challenging questions for you to try. Now, before we start, remember these two golden rules. Number one, base every answer only on the passage you are given. And golden rule number two, if the passage doesn't confirm it 100%, the answer is impossible to say. All right, let's warm up with our first short passage. Here it is. A tech retailer offers free next day delivery on orders over £50, excluding clearance items. Customers can pay £5 for next day delivery on smaller orders. Items purchased after 8 p.m. are dispatched the following day. Here is question 1 based on that passage. A £60 clearance item will qualify for free next day delivery. Is the answer A, true, B, false, or C, impossible to say? Now, before I give you your 5-second timer to answer this question, please make sure you write your answer in the comments section below the video so you can keep track of your score and so I can mark your answers for you. Thank you very much. You have 5 seconds on the timer to take a moment and think about this, and then we'll answer it together. Your 5 seconds starts now. Okay, time's up. The answer is false. Clearance items don't qualify for free next day delivery, even if they're over £50. Okay, now let's take a look at question 2 based on this passage. A £40 order placed at 7 p.m. with paid delivery will arrive the next day. Is the answer true, false, or impossible to say based on the passage? Again, you have 5 seconds starting now. That one's true. Smaller orders can get next day delivery if you pay for it, and a 7 p.m. order is before the 8 p.m. cutoff. Okay, final question based on this passage is, all orders placed before 8 p.m. are delivered the next day free of charge. Your 5 seconds starts now. The correct answer here is false. Free next day isn't for all orders before 8 p.m. It has to be £50 plus and not clearance. Let's now try another passage, but before we do, here are some quick tips on acing your verbal reasoning tests and the common mistakes to avoid. So tip number 1 is to read the question carefully. Look out for words like all, only, always, some, or never. These can change the meaning completely. Tip number 2 is to stick to the passage. Even if you know the topic, ignore outside knowledge. Base your answers only on what's written. Tip number 3, spot the traps. Watch for exceptions, conditions, or details hidden in the middle of a sentence. Tip number 4, use elimination. If a statement clearly matches the passage, it's true. If it directly contradicts it, it's false. If you can't be 100% certain, it's impossible to say. And tip number 5 is time yourself. Don't get stuck on one question. Move on and come back if needed. And here are the common mistakes most people make, so be sure to avoid all of these. Mistake number 1 is assuming extra facts. If the passage doesn't say it, you can't use it. Mistake number 2 is ignoring exceptions. Words like unless, except, or only if often flip the answer. Mistake number 3 is mixing opinions and facts. Opinions in the passage are not automatically true. Mistake number 4, overlooking small details. Numbers, dates, or qualifiers can completely change the meaning. And mistake number 5 is rushing to answer. Skimming leads to missed keywords. Read carefully, even under time pressure. And the questions and the passages in these tests I'm giving you here are shorter than many of the real assessments, And that's because I want you to hone your skills first. At the end of this video, I will tell you where you can get the full-length test questions and answers with the full-length passages in them. Let's now give you plenty of practice to try. Here is a new passage, passage number 2. An airline's priority boarding is available to gold members and passengers who purchase the service separately. Families with children under 5 may also board early, but only after all priority passengers have boarded. Now, based on this passage, here is question number 1. All gold members can board before families with young children. Is that A, true, B, false, or C, impossible to say? Make sure you put your answers in the comment section below along with the passage number so I can mark your answers for you and give you any help you need. I reply to all comments. Your 5 seconds starts now. Okay, let's move on to question number 2. Passengers who are not gold members cannot board early. Is that A, true, B, false, or C, impossible to say? Your 5 seconds starts now. And question number 3. Buying priority boarding guarantees you'll be the first person on the plane. Here are your answer options. Your 5 seconds starts now. Okay, how did you find that? Please put your answers along with the passage number in the comment section below for marking. Let's now take a look at passage number 3. A call centre reduced average waiting times by introducing a callback system during peak hours. Customers who choose this option keep their place in the queue and are called back when an advisor is free. However, callbacks are not available on weekends. Question number 1 based on this passage. Weekend callers can still speak to an advisor immediately if one is free. Is that A, true, B, false, or C, impossible to say? Please put your answer in the comment section below. Your 5 seconds starts now. Okay, question number 2 based on this passage. All customers using the callback system wait less than 10 minutes. Is that true, false, or impossible to say? Your 5 seconds starts now. And question number 3 based on this passage, the callback system is available every day. Your 5 seconds starts now. Let's move on to passage number 4. A hotel's breakfast buffet is included in all deluxe room bookings. Standard rooms do not include breakfast, but guests can pre-book it at a discount. Walk-in breakfast purchases are charged at full price for all guests. Question number 1 based on passage number 4. A standard room guest who pre-books breakfast will pay less than if they buy it on the day. Is the answer true, false, or impossible to say? Please let me know in the comment section below. Your 5 seconds starts now. And question number 2 based on passage number 4 is, deluxe room guests must pay extra if they want breakfast. Is the answer true, false, or impossible to say? Your 5 seconds starts now. And finally, question number 3, all guests have breakfast included in their booking price. Let me know your answer in the comment section below. Your 5 seconds starts now. Let's now take a look at one more passage in this style. You're doing really, really well. A courier company offers a before noon delivery guarantee for express parcels. If a parcel is delivered after noon, the delivery fee is refunded automatically, unless the delay was caused by severe weather or an incorrect address. Here is question number 1 based on passage 5. A parcel delayed until 1 p.m. due to snow will qualify for a refund. Is that A, true, B, false, or C, impossible to say? Your 5 seconds starts now. Question number 2. All late deliveries receive an automatic refund. You have 5 seconds starting now. And question number 3. Customers do not need to contact the courier to claim a refund for late deliveries. You have 5 seconds again to answer this, starting now. Okay, so the next thing to do is please make sure you click the button in the top right hand corner of this video right now. Head through to my website, howtobecome.com, where you can get access to over 250 customer service, full-length verbal reasoning aptitude test questions and the fully worked answers to each question. It covers all the different styles of verbal reasoning question types, full-length passages and hundreds of practice questions to help you ensure you're fully prepared quickly. You can literally have online access to this fantastic resource within 2 minutes from now, and it's guaranteed to help you prepare effectively for your next job aptitude test and, more importantly, put you ahead of the competition. I hope you've enjoyed this tutorial. Don't forget to put your answers in the comment section below so I can mark them for you. I reply to all comments, and if you need any tips, advice, just put your comments below and the job role you're applying for, and I can tailor that advice even more. Please don't forget to subscribe, as I'm on a mission to help as many people as possible pass their aptitude tests and their job interviews, and I can only do that if you are subscribed. Please also hit that like button, as that encourages me to make more videos like these. Oh, and don't forget to connect with me on LinkedIn. I've put my LinkedIn link in the description below. It's always great to connect with like-minded professionals such as yourself. Thank you so much for watching. I wish you all the best with your assessment. Have a brilliant day.